Look at that shit.
What the hell do you do now?
Keep cutting.
Can't cut on a live deer. Dot, 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 dot. The hell was that?
Where?
Did you hear that noise? Is it still doing it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for Christ's sakes.
I don't think it's the heart. That's way too far down.
Gotta be. What else is in there?
Stomach. It's just nerves.
Yeah.
You talking about nerves. Hey,
Todd. Todd.
Oh my God.
The heart is still beating.
You moved that flashlight and his antlers, the shadows from his antlers moved. I went, oh shit.
I can't do this.